You need crib work done, go Mo. What up, go Mo? Got that good part that came in. Got to set him up. About to finish these back brakes. You know what I mean? The 2024 thing, I couldn't find this information nowhere. So I had to, be intelligent. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set everything up. I'm gonna hit this 3 times. And get that mold going. Get that joint in the mold. Get that joint in that mold, you know what I mean? What it do? Alright, it's still in that mold. Now I'm gonna take this joint and plug it up. I'm about to put these rip pads on this boy with this good old jack. That joint brand new, it need wiping out. That's all it is, cuz big boy joint. Stop playing with me. Gotta straighten the ride up, cuz in the garage. Poo-poo been behind the wheels of steel. You need crib work done, go Mo. Get that good crib work done. Y'all rockin' with me. Yes, sir. I got on my DIY bottom and top. Yes, sir. You can see it's been putting in work. And where my tools at? Get it all laid out. Yeah. Back to this good old boy. What we got here? The pack came in. Yes, sir, that's how they coming. You see them? Let's see what we got here. I already did my homework. I know what's going on. Let me get that. Let me show you what I just did. Check me out. You know what I mean? Now he ready to activate. Yes, sir. Alright, gang, I finally got that activated. Let me get back on here. Back down here. trying to see what's going on, man. Motion don't need to be spun. Yeah, just don't know what that is, man. I couldn't even record. I had to get in the trenches. I had to get in them trenches with the wrenches, man. Man, y'all see the width of this tire, y'all gonna trip. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at the width of that boy, man. Look at the width, man. Look at them big old rotors on there, man. These boys don't know none of this action, man. No, sure you don't. Not even for a second. Not even for a second, you boys don't. Let me get in here, man. Get no trench. Make sure y'all can see what's going on. Oh yeah, man, trench. The camera still roll. Yes, sir. Damn cap. Trunk got a cap screw. You put that on over there with the rest of it. So we got a cap on the bottom too. Let me show you. Right here. And right here. This thing down. I already did the first part, yes sir. I'll get with y'all in the second game. Gotta put them good gloves on. This is what I'm looking like, gang. Rad, but my rotor's still here. Check him out. You see that boy is healthy. Healthy. Watch this. Ain't nothing to catch with my fingers. Watch this. Yes, sir. That's what I'm going back with, gang. Yes, sir. Them official tissues. Yes, sir. Compared to this boy. Compared to that boy. That boy. And that boy. Yes, sir. Much needed, guys. Just a little build up off of that. You know what I'm saying? Side 2. Side 2. That good old wear sensor. Let's activate go mode. Yes, sir. My rotor. rotors healthy on this side too, boy. Get you some business. Get right in there, go, Mo. That's what we working here. Yes, sir. Yeah, boys, I'm saving that bread. Y'all boys better know it. I don't care nothing about no shops. I am the shop. Got a toolbox out here and in the closet, okay? Come on about it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Out of there. One down, one to go. Down here working. Put my extension on that bar. Let's extend out that bar. I'll get with y'all in a second, gang. Let me get down in there. Got that boy up out of there. Yes, sir. Now let's get to the juicy part. Look. Sound. Yes, sir. Got that boy button up. Button up tight. Yes, sir.